Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Jeep Compass. The Jeep Compass has a solid, sophisticated 16-valve engine. It features electronic variable valve timing that continually changes the torque curve, bringing more versatility to the 165 peak pound-feet of torque and more capability to the 172 peak horsepower. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, fog lights, security system, compass, heated steering wheel, power windows, rear window defroster, trip computer, heated front seats, electronic stability control, remote keyless entry, overhead console, tachometer, panic alarm. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.